I think it was incredible. There's so many new people from different universities that I got to connect with. We did quite different talks this time. We had debates, which was really insightful. I just learned a lot, and even though it was just a weekend, I feel like I got so much from it to take away, and I can't wait for the next one.
It's my first weekend retreat, so I was quite sceptical. I was a bit nervous, but I've had the time of my life. I've met amazing people. I've learnt more about spirituality, and I definitely recommend to anyone that's considering.
Everyone is so welcoming, so kind. You're going to meet so many new people and make really good friendships just over 2 days.
I really liked it. Well, I went to the first one and it was alright. So I decided to, I'm kidding. So I decided to come back, give them a second chance, and this time around it has blown my mind. I have absolutely loved it. The people I have met, the food I have eaten, and just the whole thing.
Really kind of, I think pulled us all together and made us really reflect on the deeper meanings behind some of the principles behind this movement. And I just also really enjoyed meeting new people and just making friends as well.
KCSOC has been a very unexpected, but amazing experience, like a great addition to my life. When I first joined, it was just like, oh, this is a nice group, but now I can't imagine a single week without it.
My favourite part about the weekend was definitely the lifelong friendships that I made and the connections that I've built.
Welcoming.
Immersive.
Transformative.
Redefining.
Insightful.
I just can't give it one word, it's just the best.